How to use iMessage effect on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can use iMessage effect on your iPhone. First thing for you guys is to make sure you activate your iMessage. So just go to your settings. When you go to your settings, navigate to where it says message. So you just search for message. So when you click on message, make sure you have your iMessage is turned on. If it's not turned on, go ahead and turn it on. And also make sure you've linked the number you want to use for your iMessage. If you've not done this, it's not going to work, guys. Once you've done this, just go ahead and open your message, open the message you want to use or you want to send. When you type in what you want to send, click and hold the send icon. When you click on and hold the send icon, you're going to be seeing a bunch of effects to use. As you can see, guys, you can also go ahead and type in things like congratulations, and it's going to implement these effects for you, as you can see, guys. So you can use, there are different words you can use. So you can use the send, you can use the loud, you can use the gentle, and also, as I mentioned earlier, some certain words are sensitive, just like happy birthday has its own effect, as you can see. So we have words that has their own effect. So you just go ahead and search on Google, or you can comment down below so I can show you more of these words you can use on your iMessage. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on